Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a landline phone to a Spectrum modem in 2026. Now, if you have a Spectrum voice service and you want your home phone working properly, this simple method is going to help you get connected in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have Spectrum voice service activated. Now, not all the Spectrum internet modems support the phone service. So your modem should have a port which is labeled as phone 1 or tel1 on the back. So this is where the landline plugs in. Now you need to take a regular phone cable, the smaller cable that comes with most of the home phones. So you need to basically plug the one end of the cable into the back of the landline phone case. Then you need to plug the other one into the modem's phone 1 port. After that, once it is connected, you need to power on the modem if it isn't already on. Then you just have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes for it to fully boot up. You should see the phone light up on the modem, turn solid, and if it does, it simply means that the phone line is activated. Now you just have to pick your landline phone and listen for a dial tone. If you hear the dial tone, your phone is successfully connected and ready to use. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.